Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Jelani. I'm from class 10, Al Anwari Senior High School. I will tell about story three fish. Once, three fish lived in a pond. One evening, some fishermen passed by the pond and saw the fish. This pond is full of fish, they told each other excitedly. We have never fished here before. We must come back tomorrow morning with our nets and catch this fish. Then the fishermen left. When the eldest of the three fish heard this, he was troubled. He called the other fish together and said, "Did you hear what the fishermen said? We must leave this pond at once. The fishermen will return tomorrow and kill us all." The second of the three fish agreed. "You're right," he said. "We have left this pond." But the youngest fish laughed. "Ha ha, you are worrying without reason," he said. "We have lived in this pond all our life, and no fisherman has ever come here. We should this man return. I'm not going anywhere. My luck will keep me safe." The eldest of fish left the pond it very evening with his entire family. The second fish saw the fisherman coming in the distance early next morning and left the pond at once with all his family. The third fish refused to leave even then. The fisherman arrived and caught all the fish live in the pond. The third fish luck did not help him. He was also caught and killed. That all is my story. I'm sorry about something mistake. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.